The time is 9:12 and welcome back to Go. The thaw and freeze cycle in Northeast Ohio is causing major ice jam issues and flooding concerns.
And last night there was a major ice jam on the Chagrin River near Chardon Road. Because of that, a flood warning is in effect until noon today for parts of Lake County. And in Rocky River, crews had to get to work on breaking up the ice there that was forming. Some streets like Beach Road near the marina had minor flooding yesterday as the water levels rose from the backed up ice.